This technique will blow your mind. It's one of the most simplest technique to find the hiring manager and which everybody overlooks. So it's pretty simple. It will take just 2 minutes. We'll go to this particular section and then I will search for HAVP. Happy to let's see. And we search for post where people say happy to announce. Now, happy to announce successfully complete certification. So this is certification happy to announce Skill Nation. We are happy to announce today we are penal surgery. Again, happy to announce successful transaction. So the idea over is that we find people in happy to announce that whenever somebody joins, so select on editor board, Billion Naik has been selected as editorial board in Orbit channel. So what happens is where you will be happy to announce that you will be joining this particular company. Now it's exciting collaboration between this. Then happy to. So we need to search for this set of keywords. Uh, J- we have urgent position HR executive. Again, how many welding position? So not many people are writing about it that they are joined. Uh, happy to company. Let's ask. Happy to announce our first company, Jockey Ventures. Yesterday, I met someone from the same company. Happy to announce our first company, Jockey Ventures. It's happy to announce everywhere. I'm starting a new position. This is what we need to search for. I'm starting a new position. Here, all the post will be I'm happy to announce. Okay, here it comes happy to announce, then happy to announce. Most often in this kind of post, what happens is it's not allowed. They're also co-founder of Masters as entrepreneurs, Patrick Songo, we complement each other. So what happens a lot of times people also thank the recruiter who has helped to join the position. Privileged to join the ranks of you who have built the company. For thanks for the amazing leads in my team. Glad to partner with you. All these things and so now, so let's see who this person is. Hmm. So Japan partnership at Google. Now let's search for more. Happy to announce. Happy to announce at Glenmark. Happy to announce. Times Internet. Happy to announce. I guess one of the things that people actually write or thank people over here. People are not thankful at all. So, anyways, the third option is not to that extent. I see over here content post with images show results. No, we are not getting any out through like reset. Although I was hoping that we could have found this particular thing, but I don't think a lot of people are actually removed. I don't think a lot of people are actually posting happy to announce. So they are saying happy to announce that I'm joining so and so company, but they are not thanking the recruiters and they're not thanking the HR team. This is what makes it difficult. So you can use this, but we are not able to find any such areas. They are saying that okay, this is the person that I want to partner. We are partnering with, and I'm joining the ranks. But that particular missing element has missed out over here. Any which is you can use this formula to try. I will be sharing this how do you try and everything in my video description. I hope this particular formula helps you. Bye for now.